Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite someone to join your Asana team. So first of all, open up the Asana app. Now once you're at the home page of Asana, click on account at the bottom right. Now in here, click on my company below organizations, and in here click on invite. Now in here you will have to type in the email address of the person that you want to invite to your team. Now after you've typed in the email, click on send invite right here. And after that, an invite would be sent to that person via their email. They will have to accept that invite and they would be added to your Asana team. So that is how you can invite members to join your Asana team. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite someone to join your Asana team. Now once you're at the home page of Asana, click on my company below the team, click on it. Now once you're at the home page of Asana, hover your mouse over this my company button below team, and in here click on invite teammates. And in here you would have to type in their email addresses. Now after you typed in the email address, you can select either to add them to a project or not. I will remove this for now. Now after you typed in the email address, this pop will show up, just click on it, and after that click on send, and an invite would be sent to that email user and they can accept that invite and they would be added to your team. And now if you want to add them to a project, just go to that project. Now in here click on these three dots right here. You can either invite them by email, or if you have your access settings set at my company, the members that are in your company or your team would automatically be able to access the project. So that is how you can invite someone to your team in Asana.